Here are 7 business ideas that you can start with $0 in 2024. 1. Freelance services. Freelancing is a popular way to earn money without investing in a physical business location or equipment because you can work from anywhere with an internet connection. You can offer your skills in writing, graphic design, social media management, virtual assistants, or any other service that you're proficient in. To get started, create a portfolio of your work, set up a website or social media profiles to showcase your services, and network with potential clients. You can also join freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer to find job opportunities. 2. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer online tutoring services to students. You can use free video conferencing tools like Zoom, Google Meet, or Skype to conduct one-on-one sessions with students. To attract clients, create a website or social media profiles to promote your services, offer free trial sessions, and join online tutoring platforms like Chegg, TutorMe, or VIPKid. 3. Blogging. Blogging is a great way to share your knowledge, passion, or experiences with the world and earn money through affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, or display ads. You can start a blog on any topic that interests you, and there are many free blogging platforms like WordPress.com, Blogger, or Wix to choose from. To monetize your blog, join affiliate marketing programs like Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, or Commission Junction. Apply for sponsored posts through platforms like Influencer.so or AspireIQ, or display ads using Google AdSense or Media.net. 4. Virtual event planning. With the rise of virtual events due to the pandemic, there's a growing demand for virtual event planners. You can offer your services to businesses, organizations, or individuals who want to host virtual conferences, webinars, or product launches. To get started, create a website or social media profiles to showcase your services, offer free consultations, and join virtual event planning platforms like Eventbrite, Whova, or Hopin. 5. Online coaching. If you have expertise in a particular field like fitness, nutrition, career development, or personal growth, you can offer online coaching services to clients. You can use free video conferencing tools like Zoom, Google Meet, or Skype to conduct one-on-one sessions with clients. To attract clients, create a website or social media profiles to promote your services, offer free consultations, and join online coaching platforms like Coach.me, BetterHelp, or Noom. 6. Virtual assistant services. Virtual assistants provide administrative, technical, or creative support to clients remotely. You can offer your services to businesses, entrepreneurs, or individuals who need help with tasks like email management, social media management, data entry, or graphic design. To get started, create a website or social media profiles to showcase your services, offer free consultations, and join virtual assistant platforms like Belay, Time, etc., or Zirtual. 7. Online courses. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can create and sell online courses to students. You can use free course creation platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or Thinkific to create and host your courses. To attract students, create a website or social media profiles to promote your courses, offer free previews, and join online course marketplaces like Udemy, Coursera, or Skillshare. Starting a business with $0 requires a lot of hard work, persistence, and creativity, but it's possible to turn your skills, knowledge, or hobbies into profitable ventures without spending any money upfront. By following these steps, you can start one of these 7 business ideas and build a successful and sustainable business without any initial investment. Good luck!